Hi everyone, Advait over here. Let's talk about Google My Business. Google My Business optimization because you understand that this is one of the most important areas for your online presence. You have your reviews over here. The customers, the patients leave their reviews. You have so many pictures over there and so many other things. This is your online reputation. This is probably one of the most important factors that determines if a patient will come to you or will go to some other clinic or hospital. So let's get into details. I'll share some points which you have to implement immediately. The first point that I want to mention is that you want to make sure that you have videos uploaded. Now, the videos uploaded on Google My Business have to follow certain guidelines. It has to be about the place of business, it has to be about the people and the staff that work with you. It has to be approximately 30 seconds and 720 megapixel. So make sure you record those videos and keep on uploading over there, but they cannot be stock images, they cannot be stock photos or stock videos. It has to be from the place of business, which is your clinic or your hospital. The second point that I want to mention is that you have to always make sure that whenever there's a question, you get a notification for that, and that notification can be enabled in your Google My Business mobile app. And as soon as you get a question, you have to answer that, and you have to answer that in the most descriptive manner so that you have a very good answer over there and other people are able to look at that. The third point that I want to make sure is that you have the booking button activated, and in that the exact link of your booking page or of your booking app is given so that people can click on that and book your appointment immediately. The fourth point that I want to make sure is that you have direct messages enabled on your Google My Business app so that a patient can actually send you a message, and when that message comes, you can reply immediately, and you can also set some welcome message. The next point that I want to share is that you can also use, if you don't have a website and if you don't have the time or money to invest in a website, you can use the website builder app which is there in the Google My Business, and that will be updated. There are lots of templates available, you can use some of them. Again, this is not the best solution, but if you don't have a website, then have this, because it is better than nothing. The next point that I want to share is that you have to ask all your old patients to give you reviews, but you cannot ask all of them together. You have to stagger it, you have to separate it into multiple days so that it does not look like a suspicious activity that suddenly on one day you have a lot of reviews and on the other day you hardly have any reviews. So spread it out. The next point that I want to share is that whenever you have a customer and whenever you have a patient and he's a happy patient, and whenever they are over there, you can ask them for a review. And the best way to do that is that you will say that we will just send you a WhatsApp message and look at that and share your review if you want. Now that WhatsApp message can be a template, you can create a template because you can give guidance to patients on what are the things that they should mention. Otherwise, somebody will just leave rating and say nice, good, great, or average, or whatever, 1 2 3 4 word reviews. Now those are not very helpful. A detailed review is much more helpful. So you can ask them in that template, you can ask them, would you be kind enough to leave us a review on this particular link and also talk about our service, our staff, the treatment that you got, the entire and anything else. Add all those points so that the patient who's leaving a review knows that he or she should mention these 3 or 4 or 5 points. The next point that I want to talk about is that you have to enable direct messages. You have to enable direct messages so that whenever a prospective patient sends a message over there, you get it on your mobile app and you can respond immediately. You can also have some welcome messages over there. You have to also, the next point that I want to talk about is that you have to make sure that you are posting on Google My Business at least once every week. Now you can post offers, you can post events, they can have call to action, it can have link to website, and so on and so forth. And it is especially important when you are organizing some camps, when you're organizing some events, and when you have some special treatments or special offers that are going on. Create images for those and upload over there. This will also get you ranked much higher, because if you continuously keep on doing it week on week on week, then Google will see your page as an active page in terms of Google My Business, and a lot of other people will also see your posts. The next point that I want you to follow is that make sure your description is complete, and the description has to talk about three things. Definitely, it has to talk about what are the treatments and the services that you offer. It has to talk about how you are different than the others, and it has to talk about your history and your experience. These three things are a must have, so make sure you are adding these things in your business description. The next thing that I want you to enable is that you can add the services. You can add all the services that you offer. You can get them into categories. You can have multiple items, and if you are selling some products, you can add the pricing also. So enable that part also. Now, another important part is that you have to make sure that you add a tracking code in your website link. So this tracking code will be able to essentially track whoever came from Google My Business, and you will be able to track that in Google Analytics, and you will be able to see what did they do. Did they actually call? Did they actually fill up an appointment form? Did they actually go to some pages, or did they just leave? You will be able to track all of that in Google Analytics, and that will give you an idea about whether your Google My Business is giving you all the results that you're looking for or not. So start doing all this. Start making sure that you are asking patients. Start making sure that you are responding to all the reviews also, because whether it's a positive review, whether it's a negative review, when you start responding to all of them in a personalized manner, do not copy paste over here. It has to be a personalized response for complaints or for good reviews. Then it looks very nice for anyone who's reading the reviews, and it looks like the brand, whether you're a clinic, whether you're a hospital, whether you're a doctor, is very responsive. So please follow all these points. Google My Business is extremely important, and if you follow all the 10 odd points that I've mentioned, you will be able to definitely get more ratings, more reviews. Your online reputation will be much better, and you will start ranking much ahead of other competition. Thank you.